Hazrat Imam Hassan Basri radiyallahu anhu says, during the days of commotion, one day I came out armed. Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu came across me and said, "Where do you intend to go?" I submitted, "I have an intention to support the cousin of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam." He thereupon said that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam had said, when two Muslims confront each other drawing the swords, they both are hell-bound. It was submitted, it is justifiable in case of a killer, but how it can be justifiable for a killed one? He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, he as well had an intention to kill his opponent. Hammad bin Zayd narrates that he narrated this hadith to Ayyub and Yunus bin Ubayd, wishing that they might narrate it to me. Both of them reported it from Imam Hassan Basri, Ahnaf bin Qais and Hazrat Abi Bakr radiyallahu anhum. Hazrat Abi Bakr radiyallahu anhum has reported it from the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Ma'mar has reported it from Ayyub Bakr bin Abdul Aziz from his father, and he has reported it from Hazrat Abi Bakr radiyallahu anhu. Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu has reported it from the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, but Sufyan has not reported it, tracing it back to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam from Mansur. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 7083.